Ben Gromicko from InterNACHI, and this is a quick tip about your InterNACHI membership dashboard related to your CPI certification logo. Log into a NACHI.org page, top right corner, click My Dashboard, scroll down to Certification and click Certification. Now you can see buttons for your CPI certificate. You can add that to your website and you can download your logos right there with that button. That's what I did on my website. Go to the homepage of BigBenInspections.com and you can see the big CPI logo right next to my picture. And there's a Schedule Now button. My website was designed to convert website visitors into scheduled clients by InterNACHI's official vendor for home inspector website designs. That's FastSite for You. It's owned by Alicia Gromicko. She's a certified professional inspector and she has earned the Superior Service Seal. She only serves InterNACHI members with great website designs. So if you need a website, go to nachi.org/website, nachi.org/website. So that tip is log into your dashboard, go to certification, get those logos, and add them to your website.